Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage video autoplay settings in the App Store on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and tap on the App Store. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again, and here you're going to find the option of video autoplay. So if you go into this, the video autoplay, it is, if you're looking for an app and they have a video with a presentation on the App Store, it means that it is going to be automatically played if you have this feature on. So you can choose with on, Wi-Fi only, on off. So as you can see, autoplay will temporarily turn off if you have low battery or slow internet connection, and this is going to be decided by your iPhone. I advise you to set to the Wi-Fi only because the videos use a lot of data, so you can live without the presentation of an application if you want to download something on the run from the App Store. So these are the settings. So you can turn off the video autoplay, you can set it to Wi-Fi only, or just set it to on. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.